52:48. Yeah, we're almost done with the padlock section, but I was just gonna demonstrate this tiny padlock until the camera stopped recording. So, let's demonstrate this padlock one more time. And it's really cool too. This is the small key. This is a small key, but this is actually the tiniest key ever. Look at this. Tiny key. And if you look here, there's a the chain lock, and then there's another faceplate. Yeah, this one's. There's my master padlock. When I got that a long time ago. It's not worth installing the chain and lock anymore because it's just too a waste of time, and it requires tape, and it's not necessary. So I put a second. This one goes outside, and then this small padlock. This goes right here. That's private, I can't show it to you. And this kind of padlock goes in there. And then this padlock. I have to demonstrate this wire lock. I have a lot of keys. Here's a key. I got this one back in 2017. Watch this. You click it again, but you have to press it hard to lock it. Let's take a look inside the shackle. And you just put this lock in here, and you can either push it in shut or turn the key and close it a lot easier. But if you don't have the key and someone left this unlocked for you, you just have to push it in like that. And the key is so tiny. One thing I want to show you is how to reinforce this box multiple times because it's just super old. I've had this box for 5.5 years already. I can't lock. There we go. There we go. And the final box we have is this one. It's so fat. We have several different marble packs. We have this one, the bouncy balls that I got for laundry, more packs on here. I have a long thing here. These are not marbles. There's just a bunch of them in here. box is already old. Look at that rare ball. And there's just more cans down there. And that one is also another rare can that I got at 7-Eleven. Now I need to put this back off camera. There's a Toys R Us logo right there. Right, so we have a secret item back there. I'm not going to demonstrate it today because it's already too late. But back here we have more stuff that you'll go through tomorrow because it's already late. And yeah, so that'll be it for this final video because it's already 9:46 and I'm not gonna have enough time to take everything out. So this will be the final video for today, but the tour will continue until tomorrow. So anyways, that will be it.